So, I really just, I'm going to repeat this, put this on repeat, because for those of us who haven't done it, or for those of you who have a will and have a trust, but it's been 15 years and you haven't looked at it again, it's really time to date it, make sure that the laws haven't changed, that things aren't shifting in a way, maybe your life, maybe you got remarried, maybe you did, maybe you got divorced. Who knows? A million things can happen over the course of a day. So if you've never had a will, I really encourage you to go to Maurice's website. I encourage you to do a consult with her. Don't be afraid to talk about the things that are a little scary to talk about, because once you start talking about them, you can relax into them and just realize, you use the word giving the gift, and it really is a gift. My dad died. There was so many just other things that we just didn't know about that are just the norm for when someone passes, a family member or loved one passes, that are so overwhelming, and everyone deals with grief so differently. And depending on if laws do change from the time someone passes away to the time you're supposed to turn something in on a certain date for it's a lot going on. So the more that you can have in place and just set up for yourself, I can't tell you the amount of ease that offers us as human beings. I will say that my dad did not have, the only thing that my dad didn't have in place is he didn't have a plot to be buried, and he didn't have a, what's it called when you get cremated? And we're like, Dad, what do you want? And he's like, I don't care. We're like, you don't care, but give you what you want. And he's like, whatever.